What is going on, guys? Pete Coolis here. In this video, I want to update you on my 3 most recent Amazon product launches that I conducted for clients and show you the results that we got. So starting at number 1 on the top, as you can see, was a product that started in position number 64 for the main keyword. And before I really get into it, I just want to reiterate that all these screenshots that I'm going to be showing you are in reference to the product's main keyword. So obviously that we also got ranked highly for the other keywords. I'm just showing you the main most highly searched keyword, and this will be for 3 unique products that I launched last month. So product number 1 at the top, as you can see, is a 23,000 per month keyword as the main keyword for the product, and we started in position number 64 organically, and that was on August 9th 2019, and then we ended in position number 6. So that is obviously a very good result. And by the way, you want to stay till the end of this video, guys, because I'm not just going to be showing you results and talking to you about how good I am. I'm going to actually be sharing with you my 6-step process for determining the absolute best keywords to go after for your product, to target, to rank for. And you don't want to miss that, because you're going to be getting a 15-page PDF entirely free at the end of this video. So product number 2 is, again, another product, as you can see, on August 7th 2019. Maybe I'm blocking it a little bit. Sorry about that. Sorry for the blurry screenshots as well. Graphic design and editing and all that stuff is not one of my fortes, so anybody in the channel is savvy at that particular skill, then definitely reach out to me. So as you can see, we started out in position number 58 for this 28,000 per month keyword, and we ended at position number 6. And the reason why this is 30 and not 28 is because Helium 10 periodically updates, and the search volume for keywords will fluctuate just a little bit, whether it be lower or higher. You know, every month or so they will do an update. So that's why it reads like that. But as you can see, another amazing result in the top 10 on page 1 for the main keyword of the product. Now I'm going to show you product number 3. All right, so here we go with product number 3. This was the most challenging of the bunch. Obviously, one of the reasons is due to the high search volume. Another reason is just due to the hyper competitiveness of the product and all of the large name brands that we have to compete against for this particular product. So 45,000 per month search term, we were number 34. And by the way, I'm not good at recording this kind of stuff and taking screenshots, but we obviously didn't start at number 34 for the main keyword. This was a brand new product, started, on page whatever, like 100. This was about, the 34 was achieved about 8 or 9 days in, or 10 days in, and the bottom result there, number 12, was achieved more or less about 21 days in. So if you guys have been following me for any length of time, you know that I run my product launches for up to 21 days usually, and sometimes even longer. And why do I do that? Well, there's many reasons why I do that, and that's number 1, just sustained over a long period of time. Amazon likes proof, okay? They don't necessarily like you to just come out of the gate for a few days, record a bunch of sales, and then drop off, okay? They want to see proof because it's more real. I mean, if I were in their shoes, I would want to see the same thing. You want to see just day after day, month after month, you want to see consistent sales. Therefore, the product is relevant, the product is real, and you will reward that product with ranking. And that's just one of several reasons why I run product launches up to 21 days. But as you can see, another great result, especially given, again, that this is an extremely competitive product, competing against some major brand names that you all would recognize. So there you have it, guys. Those are my last 3 product launches, or the latest 3 product launches that I have conducted. And now I'm going to be shifting gears and showing you this free 15-page PDF that I made for you guys, showing you my 6-step process for evaluating keywords and search phrases to go after for your product launches, okay? All right, and by the way, the first link in the description, guys, you can get this for free. You can download it, you can keep it forever, and it's yours. So here we go, the picking the right keywords every time for your product launch. Because you're going to get it for free, I'm not going to read the whole entire thing because that would be a waste of time, but I'm just going to highlight it. The first step that I do when I'm evaluating my keywords to target is obviously whatever budget you're working with. That's a pretty obvious reason. The bigger the budget you have, the more competitive keywords that you can afford to go after. That's, in summary, what that's about. So relevance is extremely important. Relevance basically means exactly what it states, and that is how relevant is the keyword to your given product. when you're launching products, you want to target keywords that are hyper relevant to your product. So I mean the exact type of product you're selling. Okay, just keep that in mind. You can read through the whole entire thing to understand fully what I mean. This comes as no surprise at number 3, search volume. Obviously, all you guys know that search volume is a massive, important factor in ranking on Amazon. You want to go after keywords that have adequate search volume. Therefore, you're going to get the traffic to your product. That pretty much comes as no surprise. Number 4 is competitiveness. And what I mean by competitiveness is how many competing products there are for your given product. Now, we can easily determine this number if we have the Helium 10 tool, if we use the Helium 10 software, which I highly recommend, as you guys know. Probably my favorite software for all of Amazon. And we can easily determine the competitiveness of any given keyword within the click of a mouse button by using their magnet keyword tool. And we want to target products that have fewer competing products. That's the goal. Okay, number 5 is the root word. Okay, and what I mean by that is, does your list of keywords that you want to go after share the same root word? I try to always make sure that my keywords share the same root. What do I mean by that? Let's say you're selling a grill brush, a barbecue grill brush on Amazon, and you have 5 of your best keywords picked out. You want to make sure that they all share the same root. So that would be grill brush in this instance, right? Grill brush is your main keyword, but all of these longer tail keywords also contain the exact phrase, okay, the exact phrase of grill brush. So we have barbecue grill brush bristle free grill brush, and grill brush and scraper. So as you can see, this sends powerful signals to Amazon in terms of what keyword phrases you are relevant for. This will also make you rank higher for that main keyword of grill brush, even if you do not target that keyword directly, which if you are like 99% of most sellers, that would be out of your budget. And the number 6 factor I look for, and this isn't really a factor in determining so much keyword targeting, just as much as how many units you're going to want to be giving away or selling during your launch, and that is, does your product have variations? So in terms of ranking, variations tend to struggle more. Now, when I first started selling on Amazon and selling it on and doing product launches for myself and clients, Amazon used to almost seem to reward variations in the rankings. Okay, about a year later, fast forward about a year later, they were heavily penalizing variations in terms of ranking. And I mean heavily. I mean, if you wanted to launch a new product that had different colors, different sizes, this, that, and the other, you were going to have a very hard time. Let's fast forward to current times, and this is exactly what I say in this PDF. It's sort of balanced out a little bit. Do I still prefer standalone listings over variations in terms of ranking purposes? Yes, I do. But I'm here to say that if you have variations, it's not the kiss of death and you can still rank just fine. But the only caveat is you're going to need to sell more units and be a little bit more aggressive during your launch if you have variations, because they don't really get treated all as one listing, okay? They still are treated sort of as separate listings. Therefore, each listing needs its own adequate, proper amount of love, right? And guys, this is the exact same, criteria and formula that I use when I'm preparing and launching products for my high-ticket clients. So if you have further questions on how this works, on how exactly I run my product launches, feel free to reach out if you're interested. I have some really, really exciting announcements coming soon. I'm in the process of designing an entire new website that is going to be completely unique to Amazon sellers. You guys are going to see exactly what that is. I cannot wait to unleash that in a couple weeks. So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. And that is about all I have to say in this video. Again, check the first link in the description for this PDF, and it can be yours for free. Until next time, guys, hope you are crushing it with your Amazon rankings, and I will talk to you later.